All right, guys, look at this. The screen looks fine, right? But when you put a light to it, look how many fine scratches there are. We're gonna try to see if we could remove those scratches with the product that we used to remove the scratches on the lens. And I don't know if I'll make it worse or better, but I'm gonna try it. All right, first step is we're gonna clean the actual lens with some alcohol, just some basic 70% alcohol. But I want you guys to check yours and see if yours is also like this. And let me show you a little bit more. Look at those, you see the scratches right there on the right side? And in the left side, you can see them more. So, all right, now it's time just to get the polish. If you look right there, a lot of the fine scratches went away, but the bigger ones on this top left part are still there. The haziness definitely went away. So I'll show you what I'm doing and then we'll show you the finished product. All right, we're gonna put some like that. This cotton ball, it has some of that compound and I'm putting it on and I'm doing circles. Now I'm not pushing super hard and I'm gonna do that until I feel I've worked it in there. And then I'm gonna go ahead and wipe it with a very soft microfiber towel. But look at that, guys. Look at the bottom. I need to focus on the top more, but the difference between the right, this is starting to clear up big time. So we're gonna do some more and then we're gonna show you the finished product. And it is complete. And I could tell you it is a humongous difference from when we started. It still has some scratches, but it's not hazy. A lot of the scratches went away. Really, really big difference. And when I turned on the car, in my opinion, the gauge cluster looks clear. And let me show you the star of this video. Here is the compound that we bought from Amazon, and this stuff has helped us with 2 projects on our NSX. We bought it on Amazon. We'll put the link in the description. We also used some regular cotton balls, 100% cotton, and then we used a very soft microfiber towel. All right, guys, thank you for watching. You take care, and we'll talk to you soon.